What the kingdom of God seeks to do now is to start taking those things back. For what purpose? Not out of selfishness, not because the Lord, quote unquote, needs them for himself, but to take these things of the earth and to, as you mentioned, consecrate them or truly make them holy, right? Does the church have a lot of money? Yes. And people are very critical of the church for that. But what is the purpose of that? All of that is either in use now and being put to use now to benefit the welfare and well-being of others and to expand Zion and establish a framework that the Lord can come back and rule and reign in, or it's being set aside to ensure that in a day of drought and a day of famine, that the kingdom of God is there to help support, sustain, and provide refuge for the children of God on earth. And it absolutely, it boggles my mind, and I mean that literally, that so many are critical of the church as if they want the church to simply give it all away so that when the pestilence and the famine comes, the church is left standing there without an ability to address any of the needs of either the saints and or all the children of God in the world. And yet that is what the church is tasked with, is to prepare for all things that are coming, to truly create a foundation for the Lord himself, Jesus Christ, to work off of and to build from. And yet we get critical that the church isn't doing enough, quote unquote. I don't even know what that means. What's the number? What's the value? What's the dollar amount the church has to give to charity before people will say, oh, okay, that's sufficient now? Nobody knows. It's an unknowable target, and it moves all the time depending on who you ask. And yet people will get so critical because the church has a lot of money. In my mind, the church doesn't have enough. They don't have enough. They haven't acquired enough of Babylon and purified it and sanctified it and made it holy. And yet that's what they do when they receive these things. And so the more we can give, the more we as saints can procure, the more successful we become, and then in turn can give that to the church to consecrate, the better in preparing for the return of the Lord. And so it's absolutely crazy to me that people they like the feel goods of, hey, we want a church that teaches very good spiritual truths, but we don't want to talk about what's required physically or temporally to maintain Zion and to build God's kingdom literally in the temporal world around us. I don't know how people have gotten to a point where they try to bifurcate those two things so dramatically, but it's all in one. It's all the same. And that's what the church is seeking to do. And how people have lost sight of that, I'll never know.
Okay, just put in a ChatGPT. How much money would it take to purchase the whole region of country of Jackson County? And it said the median
There's no way this is going to be accurate. This cannot be accurate at all.
The median price per acre is approximately $25,000.
Okay.
Sounds reasonable.
Yeah, I was going to say, that's actually not bad. That's a pretty good deal.
In urban areas, it can average around $22,000 per acre. Rural, $43,000 per acre. For a general estimate, we'll use $25,000 per acre. So for 386,000 acres, it would be approximately $10 billion.
Oh.
It's doable. Thank you for watching. If you found this content spiritually enlightening, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Like the gospel, these little things make all the difference, and it helps the algorithm push out better content for everyone to enjoy on YouTube.